In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use magic in Castle Crashers. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily cast magic at any character in Castle Crashers. So, first, if you wish to get these instructions at any time during your gameplay, all that you have to do is pause it, go over to Help and Options, select How to Play, and then one of the options is going to be Magic. As you can see, this you can use as quick reference whenever you get confused about magic, but to summarize, all that you have to do is hold down the right trigger or R2 or a specific key if you are playing on PC, and then press a specific button such as A to do the magic jump or B to do the magic projectile. Now, something that is clearly described in there is that you will have to unlock new spells. So currently, as you can see, I just started a new save, and if I hold down right trigger, I'll start glowing, indicating that I'm ready to cast a spell. Now, once you are in this glowing state, just press the respective button to use any spell or magic that you already have unlocked. As you can see, I can press Y, so this one seems to be unlocked from the start of the game. But as you saw in that screenshot, if I try to perform the magic jump by pressing A, nothing happens. This is because we still have to unlock it by inputting more points into the magic abilities. You can also talk to this NPC here during the start of the game, and they are going to teach us as well. So hold right trigger to activate your magic, and then right trigger plus Y for the splash attack. More magic abilities will be available as you increase your magic skill. Add skill points to magic to increase your current magic abilities. When trained, magic is the most devastating skills you can acquire. So of course, magic will cost MP, so if you look at the top left corner of the screen, right under my health bar, which is the red one, MP is being consumed and slowly regenerated. So keep that in mind. Even though they are powerful, you will be limited by the amount of magic power that you have. Regardless, this is all you have to do. Just hold down the right trigger and then press the respective button. Unlock new magic abilities as you play Castle Crashes, and you will be able to use them all without any issues. I hope I was able to help you on how to use magic in Castle Crashers. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.